Hi guys, how's it going? My name is Madison. If you've never been to my channel, I decided to do a Chick-fil-A mukbang today. I like to do mukbangs and cooking videos, so if that interests you, please subscribe and like the video. That means so much to me. And please leave a comment if you're a new subscriber. Welcome to my channel. So happy you're here. Anyways, I decided Chick-fil-A today. I haven't had Chick-fil-A in a little bit. And you know, it's Chick-fil-A, so why not? I have a Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich and waffle fries with Chick-fil-A sauce. And I'm in a parking lot, so please let me know how you guys are doing in the comments down below. Let's get a fry. Their fries are really good right now. And to drink, I just have an ice water. It's actually really funny that I'm even doing this in my car right now. My friend Brandon, literally, like, we were just hanging out, and he just kind of, like, slightly detailed my car. So he's gonna be like, really? And then for the Chick-fil-A sandwich, I just have some ketchup. I usually like putting mayo on there, but I don't like asking for other sauces when I get Chick-fil-A sauce, because then they never put as many Chick-fil-A sauces as I need. And honestly, like, that's the most important part, because I think their fries are disgusting with ketchup. Like, if you agree with me, please let me know, because I love ketchup, but, like, for some reason, their fries taste so gross with it. Like, what's wrong with me? I don't know if it's gonna focus because it's dark out here. Dude, speaking of recipes, I have to show you guys the Chipotle chicken recipe that I made for me and John today for lunch. I did like a lime cilantro rice, black beans, and like I like browned it in a cast iron and then baked it in the oven and basted it with a sauce. It was so good. We use those little, like, they're called street taco, like corn tortillas from the store. They're like this, they're like really, really little. They're so cute. This sandwich is so freaking good. Oh, I broke one of my nails. I was like delivering packages the other day, and I hid it on the shelf like a little dummy. It was like while I was organizing too. I can't believe I'm eating food. I'm gonna have to send him this video. He's gonna die. I can't believe I'm eating food in here and he just cleaned it. But yeah, we just ended up like driving around for a while, which it was kind of funny. He was just driving my car because he has like trust issues with like people driving, which I don't mind him driving because we work at the same place, so he obviously knows how to drive a car. Whoops. Oh my gosh, it was so funny. John was telling like a coworker that like knows me because we used to work at the same place before I moved to delivering for Amazon, and so he like apparently he like watched one of the videos or whatever, and he went back to John. He's like, so what does she do? Just eat? And I'm like, it's not just eating. Like it's like talking, and then I also do cooking videos. I thought it was hilarious. I'm honestly pretty hungry because it's 8:30 right now and we ate at like 2. I think I hung out with Brandon for 4 hours. Yeah, like about 4 hours. I honestly have to pee so bad. I'm in an H-E-B parking lot right now, so I'll probably end up going in there after. Like, I'm about to die. I can't open this. Anyways, I'm actually, like, it's really funny. So, obviously, I'm sad that my nail broke, but I haven't been able to get my contacts out myself. Like, John has been taking my contacts out. So I'm actually really excited. Like, I got this, like, these, like, tweezers to, like, take them out with. Just because I have nails. Their fries are ridiculous with the Chick-fil-A sauce. So good. Oops. He literally like wiped everything down too. Oh my god. Okay, last bite. I'm literally about to pee on myself. So good. Okay guys, so I know that was a super quick one. I would have like prolonged it, but I honestly have to freaking pee so bad. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, like the video. I appreciate everyone that's here. And I hope that you guys have a great day or night. Oh my god, I got chicken in my eye. I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.